money you can't understand. Get my racks so where I stand. Been a long time, I ain't got a fan. Yeah, get money, they gon' get a fan. Yeah, but bitch, I been laughing to the bank. Yeah, I don't care what you say, you're not my friend. Yeah, try don't give me thanks. Yeah, Ratchet shit on radio. I'ma pull up to Tokyo. In my mind, I'm tired of you. Sipping on the push and I'm sipping on the blue. Go to the moon, I'm feeling like Groove. Take it out late, yeah, I got curfew. Fuck all these hoes, I got a curfew. What I do, we can't relate. Master made these hoes take the bait. You at home, you masturbate. Whole lot of cheddar, I'm feeling my plate. Got a big asshole, eating cheesecake. Got it on the beat, yeah, I'm on the skate. Yeah, I'm getting moolah. Chopper sing Rihanna, but she went Madonna. Hey, hey. And I still making music like out of the basement. Oh, too bad, yeah, I can't share them. Badass bitch, she out of my element. Got a lot of style and I put in my resume. Ice on my wrist, yeah, I'm too cold. 1, 2 million, I've been told. Shawty know I'm throwing back. Too much money you can't understand. Get my racks so where I stand. Been a long time, I ain't got a fan. Yeah, get money, they gon' get a fan. Yeah, but bitch, I been laughing to the bank. Yeah, I don't care what you say, you're not my friend.